You're welcome to this particular video. Is Bratitude. Okay, in this particular video, I want to share with us how you can get access to the Facebook Rights Manager. You know, Facebook respects the ownership rights or the intellectual property rights of every individual, just like many other companies. So probably maybe you are a content creator. When you create content and you post it there on Facebook, Facebook respects you as one of their partners, because without content there is no Facebook, right? So they respect ownership of content. So the first person probably that uploads a content to Facebook, Facebook looks at that person as the original owner of that particular content. So for you to be able to protect your content, your original content on Facebook, you need access to Facebook Manager, Rights Manager rather, on Facebook, right? So I'm going to show you in this particular video how you can gain access, because once you have access to the Rights Manager, you'll be able to see whoever is using your content. If somebody downloads and re-uploads your content, you'll be able to see it, because Facebook is going to show you. Maybe you are a music artist. If somebody uses your song in their videos, you'll be able to see who is using your song and who is not using your song, right? And you can authorize some particular pages to use your content, whether it's your content creator, you are a preacher, you're an artist, music artist. You can authorize some particular pages to be able to upload your content, and Facebook will not flag them for copyright violation. Okay, I'm gonna go straight to the video. Let's go to my desktop. So the first thing is, once you get to the desktop, you ensure that you are logged in to that particular profile and the page, and you switch into the page that you want to request access. So this is the page I want to use to request access. So, and then the next thing is you get to the application page. You see, I'm going to share the link in the description, so you can follow the link and get here. So once you're here, say request access to Rights Manager. So the next thing is, we're going to scroll down. You see the page or select page. If there are many other pages you're going to select from, because I've already switched into the particular page, so it goes straight to the page. So I'm going to select the page, and then they're going to ask you what type of content would you like to protect. What type of content would you like to protect? Please select one. So we have to select just one. So we have video content, which is for publishers or content creators. You have images, which is for photographers, and you have audio for independent music artists. So I'm going to select this one, since this is a music page, and another box opens up, and from here we're gonna see what type of rights holder are you. So an independent musician, whatever you are, if it's a company or a legal representative or a record label, you can select this one according to what you are. So the next field is going to ask you primary right holder. That is your legal name. So you have to enter your legal name here. So I'm going to enter my legal name. Then next, say which best describes your content. Select all that applies. Got 4 options here: original music, and covers and remixes. Yeah, those are the ones that apply to me. Some people may be doing all. Yeah, you select the one that applies to you. So the next, how often do you publish, or do you publish content? You're gonna see the drop down daily. Is it daily, or few days in a week, or weekly, or monthly, or less than once a month? So you select the one that applies to you. You say, do you use a third-party agency? No. Are you using a distributor? Yes. Yes, I'm using a distributor, so I select yes. Are you currently working with a label? Are you currently working with a label? No. If you are working with a label, you say yes. But if you are not working with a label, you say no. I'm an independent artist. So are you currently working with a publisher? No. I also select no. And then which or what examples of audios would you like to protect? Provide some links of audio with your original content so that we can verify your ownership. So you need to provide some links here. So before you get to start up filling this, you ensure that you have access to all the links that you need: the website, the YouTube link, the Spotify, and all the like. So we'll start first with the songs, links to songs. So I have some links already. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. Let's try this one. Links to my song. So I just want to open so you can see. Okay, this is one of the my album. So we can select any link. Is it here? Go to another platform. But then let's try out Spotify. Okay. So go to links. So I give you a test. I'm sure that you can actually copy my owner. So you can see these and select any of the songs. And you click this. Share copy. So link. Okay, and then copy paste. Here. Let's take one more. Let's take this platform also. Let's take where these are. So you must make sure you put in the right information so that you'll not turn your application down, right? And make sure the information is accurate. Okay. Okay, that is it. And then what else should we know? Well, you can put in whatever you can put in here. See, the original songwriter, composer, and producer. All okay, something like that. You have up to 300 characters. So the next thing, I'm gonna ask for your email, and I'm going to enter my email, verify the email. They're going to send you an email to confirm that you are the one, and then you enter the code here to verify. So I get to my email to check. So you to be patient so that the email comes, and then you can get on to fill in and then verify. So once you receive your code, you're simply going to go ahead and enter your code into the space provided, right? And you're going to wait for a few days or so, depending on Facebook, and then they're going to either approve or turn it down for some reasons, and they will tell you why they haven't approved. So just go ahead, follow the steps, apply, and then wait for Facebook's approval, and then get on to explore the interface and everything. Thank you. In our next video, we're going to show how to explore your rights manager, how to give access to pages or people to use your content without being flagged for copyright violation, and more. Thank you. Stay blessed. Endeavor to follow, subscribe, share video. Stay blessed. Love you. Shalom.